Grade 5 Computer Exam Revision, December 2025. Question number 1. You can edit and view Google Doc files? Yes, true. The permissions in Google Drive do not apply to folders. Do not apply to folders. False. Files can be edited without an internet connection, so it's called offline sync. True. Can be edited. In Google Docs, changes to the file are copied to the server net. Yes, true. Matching old files to new versions called sync or synchronization. Yes, true. When a folder is downloaded, it will be saved as zip file. True. Files or folders cannot be downloaded from the web app. Cannot. False. To share a sensitive document, check the enable option. So here, it says sensitive. So you don't want them to download it. You don't want them to see it or to share it. Uh, so it will be false. You must disable it so that they can see only. Google Drive has real-time collaboration. Real-time collaboration means two or more people are editing the file at the same time, or editing or using the same file at the same time. So Google Drive, yes, true, it can do it. A single file is shareable with a maximum of 20 users. 20 only? No. 200 users. It doesn't matter if you search for the start or end of the address or the address first. So this is a Google map. So true. A city or state is better than zip code. City or state words, zip code is the number coordinates. False, number coordinates is better. We do not use the wheel on the mouse for zooming in and out. Says we do not. False, because we use it. Google Maps gives the ability to get street views. Map street views. True. From the Get Directions tab, you can enter specific addresses. Yes, it's like on the Search tab. Google Maps gives direction for different modes of transport. Walking, bicycle, car, bus, train. Yes, true. Select maps to view geographical features. Maps, geographical, no. Maps is for street views. Geographical is Google Earth. So false. Find a location, type city or address. Simply yes. We can search for cafes and hotels using Google Maps. Yes, true. If Google if Google Map doesn't understand your search, it will give you suggestions. Yes, true. We can change text format from the clipboard group. Text, clipboard. Text is on the font group. Clipboard is for copy paste. False. We can copy and paste from the clipboard group. Yes, copy, cut, paste. True. Alignment group can be used for paragraph settings. Center, align to the left, align to the right. Yes, true. In Excel 2016 has only one tab. No, more than 8. The number group is used to make calculations. Number group, format number, calculation formulas. False. We can create a new workbook in Excel 2016. Yes, true. To save a file, open the file menu first. Yes, file and then save as or save. We cannot open an old file in 2016. Cannot. False. After writing the workbook name, choose Excel type. Yes, name, and then you can choose the type, true. Choose open to create new. Open, new, false. Open to open, new to new. Choose new to create new. Yeah, this one is the correct one, true. We can use save as to save the file. Yes, F12, save as, save a copy. The alignment tab can change the font type. Alignment, font, no, false. Excel sheets consist of many rows, columns, and cells. True. We can select more than one cell. Yes, true. Columns are named with numbers. Columns are going down, down. So letters, A, B, C, D on the columns going down, and the rows are numbers. Rows start with number one. The rows are the numbers. Yes, true. The intersection of a column and row is a cell. Yes, that's definitely the definition of a cell. Click number 2 to select all columns. This is sentence is incomplete, so it must be all cells of row 2. False. C3 means column C, row 3. Yes. We can select continuous rows using shift. Yes, continuous. When you save your Excel workbook, what is the file type? Also, this identification, so you must type .xlsx or name .xlsx. What do you choose to create a new empty file or workbook? Blank workbook. What group has copy, move, and paste? Clipboard group. What group is used to format text as bold, italic, underline? So there's a clue there, format. Font group. What group formats paragraphs like wrap text, merge, center, align left, align right? So alignment group. What group formats like dollar, percent, etc.? Number group. It is used for creating grids of text, numbers, and formulas. Oh, the general definition of the Microsoft Excel. To make another copy, we choose copy. To move an image, cut. Clipboard group is under which tab? Home tab. Shortcut step for copying, double click first. After making a copy, click paste from the clipboard group. What is the last cell of every Excel worksheet? So this one, you have to write the answer. You have to memorize. XFD 1048576. So practice more and get a great score in your exam. Thank you.